lang dapat eh. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel and I'm with my brother Vita. And for today's video, we'll be making slime using Elmer's washable colored glue. So, madali lang siyang hanapin. Pwede niyo siyang mahanap sa National Bookstore at sa malapit na craft store sa inyo. And for the ingredients, you will need bowl, sticks, syempre, Elmer's washable colored glue, water, backup glue, at kahit ano activator, ang gagamitin namin ay Ariel.
And then the bucket.
Well, let's get started. What color do you want dito?
Blue.
Ate will have
Okay.
Comment down below kung ano yung mga slime na nagawa niyo na at kung ano yung mga ingredients na ginamit niyo para doon. Kasi maraming iba't ibang ingredients na pwedeng gawin niyo para sa slime. Mix mo ante.
Wait, steady.
Ready? Ate, help ka ni ate, okay? I would help you.
It's so fast.
We added dami water.
Maybe over there. Where's my slime?
Your slime or your hand?
Hand.
Tara, lagyan na natin ng detergent.
Go first.
Add mo a little bit. So, pag nalagay niyo na yung glue niyo at water niyo, maglagay little bit at a time na detergent. Add a little bit more. Mix it up.
I did winning. I win. Wait. Where am I? Oh.
So guys, mag-add lang kayo na mag-add ng onting activator or detergent. Ano man meron kayo, hanggat hindi na siya nag-stick sa side ng mga bowl nyo. Hawak, ganito. Yan.
Not so fast.
Kaya medyo anti pa.
Yes, I get it.
So guys, kung gusto niyo pa ng maraming slime, kaya kami merong backup glue. Kung gusto niyo lang ng maraming pang slime, pwede yung dagdagan. Pero sa amin, okay na sa amin to. Hindi na siya nagsistick sa side ng bowl. So, tatanggalin ko na yung slime ko. So guys, comment down below kung gusto niyo magkaroon ako ng giveaway ng mga glue or di kaya slime. Or ako gumawa ng slime kit na para ipadala ko sa inyo.
Cabra! Oh, we got glue here.
Ito, add mo.
Oh,
So guys, sticky pa rin siya. No more glue.
what's this?
That's just glue for backup. Mix mo ulit.
Okay, you
Yeah,
can back
si Vito.
up. You can back up, but it's pa time. There's siya, oh. Take it back.
So again, katulad ng mga slime videos na ginawa namin on the past, gagawin ko ulit kay Vito na medyo overactivated.
I want to win.
Para ganda slime ni dito.
Gusto ko winning.
O sabi ko hindi para di sticky, tsaka winning dito, okay?
What is this? Let's make
Kahit naman ina-overactivate ko, medyo stretchy pa rin naman siya. Kaya you have no problem with that. No, not water. Add this.
Oh, I did. Sorry.
So, hindi na siya nagsistick. Yung masyado. So guys, comment lang kayo ng comment kung ano pong mga videos na gusto nyo i-tutorial namin at gusto nyo makita mula sa amin
Look at it.
para mapagandaan namin or magawin namin. Ah, ganda!
That was a spare. I want my spare the glue. What's the spare the glue? What's the glue?
Stretchy na. If you want to win this game, you make your slime. So guys, ito na nga, stretchy na siya. Sobrang laki na slime, guys.
Not done yet. Look.
Mayroon na pa niya.
It's just, I want big.
You have a big slime.
Yeah. You.
I have a big slime.
We got together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we win together. So guys, ito na yung slime ko. Stretchy siya, hindi na siya masyadong sticky.
Ate, get this
Pocky.
one. Get this one. Look.
Crunchy. So guys, comment din down below kung pinapayagan kayo gumawa ng slime. Kasi most sa parents hindi pinapayagan yung anak nila gumawa ng slime. Kasi madami. So guys, pag lagi na-feel ng slime nyo, okay lang yan, huwag kayo susuko kung gusto nyo ma-achieve yung goals nyo. Dito lang yung dati, nung bata ko, nung
Look.
nag-start pa lang ako ng slime, hindi lagi nag-work out. It's either
Ate!
nagiging powder siya or liquidy.
Wow.
So guys, if I were you, don't give up. Try nyo lang ng try. At someday, kakaroon na kayo ng slime na
Ate.
hindi fail. Tulungan ko muna si Vito sa slime niya. So guys, nag-clean up na kami. Yung slime na lang namin. At kinip namin detergent just in case na medyo sticky yung slime namin. So guys, ito siya.
Okay.
So stretchy. So crunchy. Ganda na rice na yun, guys. So pokey and glossy.
So that's
Halos pareho lang kami ni Vito. Yung pag nagkaiba lang, medyo hard siya ng stretch. Pero madali pa siya stretch. Vito, can you do a slime swirl? Kaya mo i-stretch at i-curve yung, parang i-fold yung slime para makagawa sila ng air bubbles. Kaya pag nag-slime swirl ka, parang siyang ice cream. Tapos pag kinunch mo, crunchy sila dahil sa air bubble. Yay! Ate, wag na-air bubble. It should be big. Ito likes to blow bubbles every time na gumagawa ka ng bubble. Aww. Hey, this is my slime.
Okay, give me the draw the circle.
Guys, we hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Don't be shy to comment down below. It's okay and bye!